You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to say you're pretty or you're beautiful. And that's gonna be if you want to say this to a girl. While in Italy, for example, we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well. In Italian, that is quite useful, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you say you're pretty or you're beautiful in Italian? Sei, meaning you are. Bella, meaning beautiful or pretty. Sei bella, sei bella is how you'd say it if you really want to emphasize on the fact that she is very, very pretty, like the prettiest girl you've ever seen. You could say it as sei bellissima, bellissima, and that'll probably most definitely flatter her. Sei bellissima will be like you really found her pretty. Otherwise, sei bella is probably a bit more restrained and reasonable, but both are good and valid. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.